extremely happy for what you have done today. This is still our first match, and we expect the second match, the third match. We expect the trophy to come to Acholi. As we promised last time, we want the trophy to be rotating. Acholi, Lao, and West Nile. The trophy must remain within the circle. Otherwise, thank you so much. You have made us proud. My coming here is not for nothing. Wherever you will be, I will be. Let me thank Honorable Acholi from Lao. He promised to me that Olanya, I must go wherever your team is going. And right now, he is here. Let him greet you in 1 minute, and we give you that.
Thank you.
Honorable member.
Thank you very much. Actually, this is what we wanted. We expect you to keep improving from where you stopped today. Even the next match may be tougher than this. So get prepared, you have just started the journey. The journey is still very far. But like he has said, we are going to give you whatever support we can. Not only support, body support also is going to be there. We are going to follow you wherever you are going.
Thank you.
So that you are not left alone.
Thank you.
With this, I want you to keep the spirit you have displayed here. I wish you safe journey back home.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Here in my hand, we have 1 million shilling for you, the players. 500 for my brother and 500 for myself. This is still the beginning, okay? Let the chairman say something. Yes, chairman.
I have only one word for you, the honorable members. I have only one word for you, the honorable members. On behalf of Acholi management and the players, we wish you success to go back in Parliament. We wish you success. So there was 500.
Exactly.
And then 250.
Oh, for the
goal.
Exactly. So it means 1,250,000. Let me invite the captain to pass the vote of thanks, and we hand over. We leave. Yes, captain.
For good fans, Mamegwa. Lutela Makamegwa, Iloma Papat, maybe look at you, one, Ilomabo, Gang Mamegwa. Yok Makamegu, the word Makamegu, where result Mawanoni, Uberukuman, Walegani, look in the way to Mukana. We are reaching Acholi a large. Waribuching, we are supporting Otiano Makamegwa, or Pilu Wikara, Tumbara Yomi again, before you go.
Appointment captain, Ichaman, Ami Chete, Midio Rachel, Gali Mia Rio, Ipiara Beach. Generally, any, or where you do Bonam Kere, Kajel, the management team. One management team, very much here. Again, you will succeed in Kere. What am I here now? Appointment, oh, we can't come away. We can't come away.
So, before the day ends,
Apoy Batek, chairman of Acholi community, Omeo Alibia Rio, Gipiarabi. Honorable Sheila Karu, Omeo Alibia Beero, Gipiarabi. Now, like Gilbert, Omer Alibia Beach. Manuve any Fortican, Alego Lubami Poluko. Any fracture Kine, Nero Malachian, White You Madoli.
reporting for me. Actually, but you are wrong. You may be back. I'm not doing it.